My name is Jennifer Abney, and I am the founder and the executive director of Angels Foster Family Network. We started Angels to provide the very best support for foster families and to strategically help change the system, to work with legislatures and work with DHS and change the outcomes for kids, make it a faster process for kids. Before Angels was here, kids were in care for 2 to 4 years. Now that Angels is here, kids are going home in 9 months, 6 to 9 months, or finding permanency, and that's a huge deal for us. I'm a foster parent from San Diego, and when we moved here, 12 years ago, we immediately knew that they needed Angels here. So we started our model here. We only place one child or sibling group per family, which allows our foster families to focus on that child, to focus on the bio family, and really help a family heal. We have so many programs for kids, and our biggest one is our TBRI training and program. We provide a counselor and therapist for every family 24 hours a day. We're 100% trauma-informed trained, and so this money goes towards all of our training, all of our support for families. We're in the home immediately, where if you were in a traditional home, you may have to wait 90 days for a counselor, and we're there the same day. We provide food for our families, gift cards. We have in-home babysitters. We have an incredible volunteer force. We have a huge resource closet, all their school supplies that are exactly what that child needs for their classroom. And we also provide a therapist to work with their teachers or their daycare center, so they don't blow placement there either, because kids sometimes act out when they come in from foster care. We are celebrating our 10-year anniversary this year. We have placed over 3,000 kids. We started out our very first year with 10 families. So this is a huge milestone for us, and I can't believe that it's been 10 years. We love a network of support for foster families, whatever that looks like. We love working with other agencies and helping really good nonprofits get off the ground to help fill the need.